All right, good evening, Arkansas. This is Sister Chief Forecaster Kevin back here, and once again here to give you guys your evening forecast update for today here. So, just currently looking at temperatures right now here. The sun has gone down, but temperatures still remain hot at this hour here. So we got 88 up here towards Piggott, 93 towards the metro right now here, and also in Fort Smith, 90 degrees in Mena, 91 in Camden, 90 degrees in El Dorado right now, and 91 in Fayetteville at this point here. So, just gonna zoom this out and show you guys what's going on here. So the heat continues from much of the southern plains here, not only for us here in Arkansas, but Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Louisiana, we're all in the same boat here. So we are still looking at that front of boundary that's going to move through as we get towards the later part of this week into the weekend here, which will bring some heat relief to us here for us here in Arkansas as we get towards Saturday and Sunday with increased showers and thunderstorms as well. Behind the front of boundary, winds will be coming out of the northeast, so drier air will be moving in as well. Now, the flip side of that coin is due to what is now potential tropical cyclone number 6, which I'm fully expecting to become Fred. I will say either between tonight or tomorrow morning. It's going to lift that front of boundary to the north here. It's going to stall it out in southern Arkansas. It's going to lift back towards north as we get towards Monday and Tuesday here. So rain chances will be here. Will be helping to bring beneficial rainfall to us here in Arkansas. But in terms of the massive cool down, it appears that that tropical system is going to kind of interrupt that for us here in Arkansas. But regardless, guys, still near normal to even in some cases slightly below normal for this time of the year here. So let's go ahead and talk about your weather highlights for today here. More the same. Heat advisory for all of Arkansas through Thursday. Increased rainfall chances as we get towards the weekend. Now, I want to stress I'm not expecting a lot of severe weather. I'm not expecting a lot of heavy rainfall with this as well. Some folks may get lucky to see a good amount of rain, while other folks may not see much at all. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be one of those hit and miss thunderstorm activities, especially during the afternoon. High heat combined with high humidity will lead to dangerous heat indexes, 105 to 110 plus in some localized areas here. So stay hydrated, stay cool, limit your time outdoors, guys. And if you have to be outside, take frequent breaks, incorporate time in the AC, guys. I cannot stress that enough. And as I just got through mentioning, heat relief is still expected by the weekend, and we're going to continue to monitor the progression of not only potential tropical cyclone number 6, but also Invest 95L behind potential tropical 6, which now has a 30% props for development over the next 5 days here. So here's your 7-day forecast for northern Arkansas. More the same, Wednesday through Friday. High temperatures in the upper 90s, overnight lows in the 70s here. Dangerous heat indexes, 105 to 110 plus up there in northern Arkansas, so just keep that in mind. Front of boundary moves through as we get towards Saturday here. High temperatures back into the 80s, overnight lows in the 60s here, and the front of boundary begins to move back to the north as we get towards Monday here with temperatures beginning to slowly rebound. But regardless, guys, welcome relief as we get towards the weekend and the early part of next week, also with rain chances here, because we desperately need the rain here in Arkansas. More the same for central Arkansas for Wednesday through Friday, the hottest period. High temperatures in the upper 90s, low 100s here. Overnight lows not dipping off much at all into the mid to upper 70s here. As we get towards the weekend, front of boundary boost through on Saturday. Look for highs by that point falling back into the 80s. Overnight lows in the 60s here with 50% chance of rain on Saturday. A few storms could be strong, especially Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening here as the front of boundary moves through. I'm not expecting a lot of severe weather, and if any storms do get going and do go strong, the main threat is going to be for the potential of strong damaging winds. Not expecting a whole lot on Saturday here. As we get towards Sunday and Monday, front of boundary begins to move back towards north, so rain chances look to continue as we get towards next week. And more the same for southern Arkansas. Hottest point between Wednesday and Friday. High temperatures in the upper 90s, low 100s. Heat indexes 105 to 110. Overnight lows in the mid to upper 70s. Front of boundary moves down into southern Arkansas as we get towards Saturday, but it's going to stall out. So rain chances are going to continue from Saturday all the way through the early part of next week. However, the cooler and drier air may hit some portions, especially across south central and portions of southwest Arkansas, but not everyone is going to experience the cool and dry air behind the front of boundary here, because it's going to be wherever that boundary stalls out across southern Arkansas here. So we'll continue to keep you guys updated right here on your source for all things Arkansas weather.